1 3-pack Pastel tie-dye kit. Do it yourself fashion. This tie-dye kit includes 3 custom-colored dyes. Don't make me blush, life's a dream. Sickle, baby beluga blue, in easy squeeze bottles. Also included in the kit, 3 blank scrunchies, 1 blank bandana, 2 bags of soda ash, 3 pairs of gloves, 20 rubber bands, and an easy-to-follow dye technique guide. One 3-pack Pastel tie-dye kit. Do it yourself fashion. This tie-dye kit includes 3 custom-colored dyes. Don't make me blush, life's a dream. Sickle. 3 tulip neon tie-dye kit. Add some tone to your closet with this neon splash color unit. You can color up to 30 ventures with it. The dyes are permanent and color fast, so they won't fade in the wash, and since they're mixable, you can create your own custom colors. Kit includes fuchsia, orange, yellow, lime, turquoise dyes. Kit contains 5 bottles containing dye 1.53 ounces dye, 5 dye packets, 8 protective gloves, 40 rubber bands, full color inspiration/instruction guide. Find inspiration and techniques at illavitacreate.com. Prep, twist, fold or scrunch damp fabric into your favorite tie-dye pattern. Bind secure with rubber bands, string or zip ties to hold in place. Dye mix and apply dyes. Let set place projects in a sealable plastic bag to keep damp while dye sets. 4 1-step spray kit fabric dye. It is an obvious fact that tie coloring can get chaotic. Keep your hands clean with this splash bottle set. This tie-dye kit is as easy as it gets and allows for more versatility than traditional tie-dyes. Kit contains 7 color-coordinated spray bottles with dye inside, gloves, rubber bands, and instructions. 5 turmeric dye kit. Need to go normal? It makes the brilliant lemon yellow color in this pack of all common fixings turmeric. Looking for a fun, easy-to-follow project? Want to learn a new hobby? You can do this simple textile art or organize a small art party. Call your friends and have a fun-filled afternoon dyeing and creating your own textiles. You can dye up to 5 small projects with the turmeric vat prepared from this kit. This will make a perfect gift for anyone interested in attending craft workshops, a good way to create your own textiles and bond with your kids, family and friends. Eight Tulip Extra Large Block Party Tie-Dye Kit. These colors come as effectively shippable and storable powders. Add water when you're prepared to use. Kit includes enough dye to create up to 72 projects. Dyes are safe to machine wash, colors stay bright and bold through repeated washings. Prep, twist, fold or scrunch damp fabric into your favorite tie-dye pattern. Bind secure with rubber bands, string or zip ties to hold in place. Dye mix and apply dyes. Let set place projects in a sealable plastic bag to keep damp while dye sets. 9 tie-dye mask kit. The most ideal approach to get children to wear their veil. Let them customize it. Wash these cotton veils in the wake of passing on them, and they're protected to wear consistently. Tie-dye mask kit, DIY back-to-school tie-dye masks, funky neon tri-color kit, crafty kits. Kit includes 3 100% white cotton masks, magenta, turquoise and lemon yellow dye, 4 polyethylene gloves and 15 rubber bands. Dyes are safe to machine wash, colors stay bright and bold through repeated washings. 10 1-step kit reverse tie-dye. Rather than adding color to a garment, the converse splash color strategy works by eliminating color from dim texture, bringing about this fun and diverse sort of splash color. Take traditional tie-dye to a whole new level by removing color instead of adding it. It's reverse tie-dye.